Hi, I'm Ritesh,
And I'm Saurav.
and we are here to answer some of your frequently asked questions about Furnishkaro.
Do you have a mobile app? No, we don't have a native mobile app, but Furnishkaro was designed with mobile users in mind.
It's fully optimized for mobile devices and can even be installed on your phone's home screen as a web app for quick access and convenience.
Do we need to create all masters beforehand?
No, you don't need to create all the masters. We provide Furnishkaro with several commonly used masters pre-installed. You can always create new masters instantly using our quick add and instant create features. Are all the formulas in Furnishkaro predefined, or do we need to manually calculate based on the measurements?
All formulas in Furnishkaro are pre-configured based on industry standards. But you also have the flexibility to customize and adjust these formulas according to your specific requirements.
Just go to the product group and item master management screens and adjust the formulas easily. Can I manage stock through the app?
Currently, Furnishkaro does not include stock and inventory management features. Our initial focus was to solve project management challenges effectively. However, we plan to introduce a comprehensive stock management module in future. Can everyone in my company use the app?
Furnishkaro is a cloud-based platform with multi-user capability, accessible through all major browsers and devices, including mobile and desktop. This means that every member of your team can utilize the app from anywhere, ensuring smooth collaboration and productivity.
Can my staff use the app if they are not tech savvy?
Yes, learning how to use Furnishkaro is easier than most popular apps today. Thank you for using Furnishkaro.
Have a good day.